As promised, someone asked me about my fireplace, if I did anything. I keep forgetting to take a video of it. But we did work on the fireplace, so we got that working. And basically, I did the same things I did last year. I just liked it so much, I just repeated it. My favorite piece. Nativity set. It was sometime after Christmas I saw this online. I think it was through Hobby Lobby I got it a few years back. And the trees came from Hobby Lobby in their store, but the nativity wasn't online. I doubt you can get that again. The reindeer. So I hope you're having a nice evening. This is Friday, and we went to a concert at a nearby church. It was beautiful. Oh, the choir was unbelievable, and their orchestra. And then we went out with several friends, to a Mexican restaurant, and I'm stuffed. So let me know how you... Here, Bill and I are on our way to a concert at the church. So it's just so easy to sit at home and not do it. But this is going to be fun. We're going with some other couples and then going out to eat afterwards. So here's Mr. Bill driving. Say hi, Mr. Bill.
Hi there.
Okay, you guys try to get out. If there's a concert or anything, Christmas program, try to get to it. Okay, bye-bye.